on the pound yen, on your daily chart, this is what we have. The trend is down, the market is pushing down. We have a very big structural point here, which is the 122.85. The 122.85 is a very important structural point, and if you can see, all of last week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had about 11 trades on either side of the 122.85, and they were, most of them, successful. So on Friday we had the sell below, when it came below the 122.85, it sold below the 122.50, which is another structural point, and then it turned around and it closed the week at 122.72. If that's the case, our trade would be extremely easy from the long side. We have here, this is the intraday chart, and this is how you should be setting. You always must have your structural points on the chart. So we have now a structural point at 122.85. So right here, this is where we're going to buy, above the 122.85. This is going to be our buying point. And since it's a structure point, then our stop is going to be below it, and our exit. Okay? So for the pound yen, our buying point is the 122.85, which was the same from last week. It is our structural long point. It is my buying point. It is my structural long point, and of course in this case it is going to be my stop. We have now closed the week at 122.72. As I mentioned before, the pound is oscillating between 122.50 and 122.85. We're now at 122.72. Therefore, we're going to sell it below 122.50, which is the other structural point. And in this case, it will also be my stop. So now I have two structural points. Above it, I'm going to buy. I'm going to use it as a tight stop. Below it, I'm going to go short below the other structural point, which is the 122.50. So for the pound yen, we're buying above the 122.85, which is our long point and our structural long point, and it is going to be my stop. To go short, we're going to go short below the 122.50. It is our structural short point, and of course it will be my stop. Okay, that is the pound yen. Let me save that.